closer to the main pinball.
The lowering the ball.
So you throw the pinball, which is probably maybe white.
Mm.
The other balls, it's the person who lands the closest to it gets the points.
Look, the ball is rolling. Look.
There's 2 points.
Mm.
It always seems to be a game for me.
What game is that?
Balls.
Just called balls.
Oh, ball.
Because it's just funny in name balls only. This funny game though. It's balls, rolling the balls. That's all the name of the game, balls, rolling the balls on the. Ayan guys, ang ganda-ganda. Buong araw mag-ikot-ikot sa SKEGNESS. Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog today. Dito tayo sa SKEGNESS. SKEGNESS. What you call here, SKEGNESS Bay? Front Bay. SKEGNESS, ayan guys, ang lugar. Tawag niya Sir SKEGNESS. SKEGNESS. Marami mga hotel din dito. Hotel. Mga hotel din dito. Dami mga bulaklak dito oh. Sa tabi-tabi. Ay, may nagtitinda ditong sombrero. Ay, maganda mga sombrero oh. Foxy, I saw a sombrero, Fox. Eh. Hoy. Ah, they have a balcony. That's hotel. They're having a drink on the balcony. On the top. There. There. Over there. Having a drink. Fox, watch you be squashed like a pancake. The ride these loads.
Ano dito oh, amusement sa SKEGNESS. Mayroong casino. Merong rides lang, dami. Pleasure beach din. Ayan o, may pleasure beach din sila. Welcome to pleasure beach, SKEGNESS. Ayan, may ano o. Bouncy castle. Kala ko, may music din dito. Bababa tayo dito. Nice disco dire. Disco ran na de. Bouncy castle. Fish and chips. Ayan. Ayan guys, maraming ano dito. Amusement.
You're the devil. Ayan guys, oh, ang daming tao. Maraming namamasyal today. Ay, Ayan. Ayan guys, maraming ano dito Nagkalo ta Dora the Explorer tayo ngayon. Yung ano daw, itsura ko daw. Dora the Explorer kasi nakasombrero daw. Hello guys, mega love shoutout. Ayan. Maraming tao sa beach ngayon. Sa SKEGNESS.
Dito pala yung ticketing guys. Canal ride sa canal.
Boat to come. Nasaan na ang mga boat? Hindi na dumating. Where is the boat gone? This is our receipt. How much is it? 16 quid. 16 each, 2 of us, 16. Then 32 all 4 of us. Mahal din pala oy, magsakay boat. Ganito sana sa Pinas ba yung boat riding, mag-entrance anay. Mag-ikot-ikot ba sa Ilog Pasig. Ganito yun sila oh. May mga boat riding din yan. Left, right, slowly.
My finger. Oh yeah, oh god.
There's one. Oh,
White car in the middle is yours, Bob.
Yeah.
there's reverse and
Yours
forward.
different.
What you got?
Make it a daft little car.
Oh my god. Oh my lord. We'll be there forever. Oh my god.
The boats are going to be on these forever. Hey, I'll video you.
Oh my god. Muna mag-drive ta aning boat di ay oy. Oh, yan guys. Oh, drive ta boy. Left and right di man mo panaw. Kalaka. Diyos ko Lord. Ano ako sa boat oy. Nahihilo ako. Na marunong mag-drive. Papagod ako. Pagod sa driving boat. Ayan. Ikot buong araw tayo mag-ikot guys. There's a fountain dala. Golf this one in eh. Ayan guys, dola sila golf. They're playing golf. Marami din naglinya di ay. Dugay mahuman kay magngita pa kas mga lungag. Mga lungag asa ni isulod ang goon bowl. Ay nako, ano ba yan? Crazy golf that one. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak oh. Look at these flowers. Kailangan na buhusan ng tubig to kasi natutuyuan. Mamamatay pag hindi diniligan to. Didiligan. Ayan. Lifeboat next to it. Aray, itchy. Fox, don't go there. You'll be swimming and we're gonna swim as well. And then you'll be drown forever. Swimming. You're not go swimming. You cannot swim. You don't know how to swim. SKEGNESS area. Malaking ikutan. Ha? Yeah. Go no. Ayan. Or go gamble. Casino. Aray, tayo guys eh. Mag-casino. Ato sa arcade. I like playing in the arcade din. The coins. Push coin. Push coins. What is design here look? Oh, it's graffiti. Graffiti na. Is there walking here as well? Look. Somebody walking here around the lake. Around the lake. Somebody's walking around the lake. Oh, there's a water down. Here, swimming pool. Oh, there's a waterfalls here. Look. Yung mga bata nagdula ah. Nagdula ang mga bata diyan. Malunod mo diyan. Tagam diyan mo diyan. Nagdula atong waterfalls ay. Nga man day waterfalls diha lagi. Napoy boat oh, naitanom. Ayan guys. Ah, ang ganda dito pala. Diyos ko Lord. Ah, the water here, Fox. Ayan guys. Oh, there's another boating here, look. Oh, it's all red, all color. All design is the same. What the heck? Yeah. Oh yeah, different this one. Ganda. Iba din to. They bring your swimsuit.
But not impossible. So, careful.
No, iba din tong klaseng boat oh. Gidrive nila.
Oh, that's quite an achievement, that.
Paligid oh, ang ganda. Paligid ng SKEGNESS. Maraming tao. Bulaklak guys oh. Ganda. Ay, nag-inom na sila oh. Ice cream, ice cream. Kami fish and chips. Fish and chips ah. Mahal ang fish and chips ay. Magluto, palit mo tag isda, pritohon. Sulag rice. Ice cream, daming ice cream dito oh. Sunday.
I think it's where I tell you what we're doing something.
Hmm?
I think it's gone.
Is it gone demolish into?
If you wanted an ice cream.
Fox, put your face in the donut there look, a picture ya. Put your face in the donut. Put your face in a picture ya. How many donkey? Ayan guys, hindi ka lang siya. Uwi na kami dyan. Pauwi na kami. Ayun, maraming tao eh. Diyan pa sila oh. Tapos na kami, gumawa kami ng castle. Hala. Ayan guys, oh, nag-ride pa rin sila.
People here as well. Daming tao guys. What about here? Oh, Lord, these people. Is it swimming? They're swimming here as well. Daming tao guys. Daming tao kami dito sa Pier Harbor. Daming tao.
padlock eh. There's so many padlock. Ayan, may pangalan pa. Remembrance. Ang dami, ano. There's so many padlock. Ayan, there's so many. Is it people who pass away in the sea?
No, just anything.
Oh, right.
The ones in Hull are usually all the ones people who died at sea in fishing boats.
Oh, right.
We've got one of the docks here.
Hmm.